All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I jumped on Amazon for the Pixel 4a and grabbed a tempered glass and a case combo. I got this, I think it was like 10% off or something like that. Nonetheless, it was $9. Was ordering my OtterBox. Shout out to Team OtterBox. You know who you are. So I jumped online to find this, to get this, for now, to determine if I want to wear a case at all. Because honestly, I don't think this phone really needs to have a case. It's that good, it feels that great. But I decided to grab something like really cheap for now. And this is a tempered glass combo that you can get here. I believe it's like 3 or 4 tempered glass in here. Yeah, there's 3 of them in here. And I got extra ones now. And so they literally give you 3 packets. So I think that's pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. I wanted to just have something on here for now, at least a tempered glass. That's what I was going for, a tempered glass. But I saw this combination with a case and I was like, well, can't beat that. So you get this case right here, this fake carbon fiber. Again, this was only $10. So let's start with the case real quick and put this on. Obviously, it's just gonna slide on nice and simple here. You've got the cutout for the headphone jack, the microphone, and then on the bottom here, on the back side, you got a nice cutout for the fingerprint reader. Camera's now recessed, as you can see right there. And then you got the ports for the bottom there, nothing on this side, and then the buttons are covered. So if you hit that fingerprint reader, it's really fast, nice and tactile, clicky feel with the buttons, and it's good to go. So that is the case. And again, you saw this came all in one big package. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the tempered glass. I'm gonna leave it in the case as a guide. We'll get this wiped off here. This was $8 for all of this together. 3 tempered glass and 3 tempered glass and a case. Nice little starter for you. $10. It's pretty doggone good. Now I'll go over it with a real microfiber cloth. Then I'll hit it with the little stickers there to get any kind of lint off that might be trying to linger around. And then we're gonna drop that glass in there. So again, $8 or whatever it costs, came to like $9 after tax. And I hit it like this. And again, I'm not gonna use the guide because I'm using the case as a guide. Pretty cool. All right, so we're gonna do it like that. So I'm pretty sure all kind of dirt and lint should be off of there. And then here's the tempered glass. Now this is one of those one-siders, so it's kind of like all the same. So I don't need to try to figure out top and bottom. So I'm gonna just go ahead and peel this back and I'm gonna drop it in. And again, this is a cheap set right here. This is really affordable. So if I mess this up, really wouldn't matter because I got 2 or 3 more. I got 2 more, but I got that on there. As you can see, it's kind of working its way down there. There you go. It's hit to the bottom and it's sealed up. And now the top over here needs to be pushed out. And again, if you don't get this on straight or whatever, you don't have to panic. I mean, just it's up to you whether you want to lift it again or not. Let's open it up and see how I got it. That looks good to me. And so that little bubble up there, that little air pocket, right up there, right there, that'll come off. You just take your rag and you just kind of work it up. Now remember, folks, this is $10 for this entire set here, so don't stress yourself out about it being perfect. Even though I've learned that sometimes when you're buying things like this, and it's actually completely out now, get the light on it, you can see there's no bubbles. And what I want to do to see the positioning of the glass is change this wallpaper to a lighter wallpaper. I'll just use this one here. So you can see, look for the borders and all that, and there you go. So you can see I got it right on time. So you see the bottom of the glass down here? See that? Right on the bottom is good. And on the top, I got a little bit of space. So there it is. Let's turn it off. And you can see I always go over it one more time with the wet one. Clean off any kind of residue or film or anything that could be on there. And I suggest you do the same. I always just do it one more wet and dry, just for general purposes. And you are protected, folks, temporarily until you want to find or spend that $50 case, or that. My OtterBox costs $39, and then I got $10 off with Otter10. That's the code. If you want $10 off your OtterBox, any OtterBox, use code Otter10, and that'll get you $10 off. So here it is, folks. I am fully protected now on the Pixel 4a. I think this is really cool. I mean, I might just rock with it like this. I mean, why not? What do you guys think? This case is considered a drop protection case. And you see cases like Speed and all these other different cases. They're good cases too, but they're ultimately just the same protection as this. You know what I'm saying? There's not gonna be that much difference in drop protection. But this is actually gonna be able to hold you over, man. I mean, the glass, if you're wondering, touch sensitivity is good, it's fast, everything's there. I will be giving you a follow-up on this phone too. It is freaking awesome. And I'll just give you a glimpse at the battery. 22% left, 5.5 hours screen on time. And the last time I've charged it, I charged this yesterday at 10 p.m. I think it was. I think I charged it last night at 10 p.m. or 11 a.m. or 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. And we're in the next day, and it's 11:30 tonight right now. So hope you guys enjoy, man. This is tempered glass and screen protector and case for the Pixel 4a. This is really nice, man. I'm feeling this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.